Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Remember, it's an effort to circulate better career opportunities. Hi guys, this is Amadou Sen and I am here with the best internship opportunities for summer 2021. Internship opportunity number 7. So here we have an internship opportunity for zoology, agriculture, horticulture departments organized at Uttarakhand Biodiversity Board. The applications are invited in the prescribed performer for filling up of 20 positions of interns on a purely temporary basis at Uttarakhand Biodiversity Board, Dehradun, initially for 6 months, which can be extended if required for the preparation of People's Biodiversity Registers (PBR). A list of candidates shortlisted for being interviewed would be intimated in time via email or phone. The candidates may send application via the email provided in the description. The web interview will be conducted preferably before 15th of April 2021 online through a suitable medium as Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Zoom or Cisco WebEx. The meeting link and confirmed date of interview will be provided only to the shortlisted candidate. Eligibility criteria for all posts is an MSc in the relevant subjects with minimum marks of 55% in aggregate from a recognized university. Interested candidates can send the completely filled application form by registered post or speed post to the following address mentioned in the description below through the mail or email ID provided in the description below. Remember that the last date for submitting application form is 7th of April 2021 at 5 pm. Internship opportunity number 6. So here is online short-term internship program OSTI 2021 organized by National Human Rights Commission NHRC, stipend of Rs 2000. So applications are invited for the online short-term internship program OSTI 2021 by National Human Rights Commission NHRC. The National Human Rights Commission has been mandated to promote human rights literacy and awareness of the Protection of Human Rights Act, with a view to spread awareness among university students about the need for protection and promotion of human rights. The Commission has been regularly conducting internship programs since 1998. So the internship program has been organized for the month of April 2021, which will commence from 16th of April 2021 to 30th of April 2021, that is 15 days. The eligibility and selection criteria will be as follows: students studying in third year and onwards of any integrated 5-year PG course, students studying in third final year of graduation course, students of any semester year of any postgraduate degree course, students of any semester year of any postgraduate diploma course, students who are research scholars in any stream. Students must have consistently attained a minimum of 60% marks in class 12th and all subsequent courses. The calculated percentage has to be mentioned clearly from their CGPA, SGPA along with the formula for percentage obtained. A 250 words write-up on the topic statement of purpose SOP for joining NHRC online short-term internship will be required to be submitted by the applicants along with the application form online, which will also serve as a basis of selection. Students who have research potential in the areas relating to human rights will be preferred. All the student interns successfully completing the internship would receive a stipend of Rs 2000. Certificate of participation will be awarded to the candidates on the basis of following parameters: attendance, punctuality, discipline, participation in online sessions, project presentation and project report, and book reviews. The interested candidates can apply through the link provided in the description. Remember that the deadline for application is 4th of April 2021. Internship opportunity number 5. So here is summer internship program SIP 2021 organized by IIT Jodhpur, just providing a stipend of Rs 1500 per week. Applications are invited for the summer internship program SIP 2021 by the Department of Civil and Infrastructure Engineering, IIT Jodhpur. Key features of this internship facilitates project-based learning, research exposure, expert webinars and interaction with IIT Jodhpur faculty. The topics and field of internship are provided in the description. You can check out from there. All undergraduates after 5th semester and postgraduate students are eligible for this internship. This internship duration is of 8 weeks starting from May of 15th, 2021. Each selected candidate will receive a stipend of INR 1500 per week. Interested candidates can apply through the link provided in the description below. Remember that the deadline for application is 10th of April 2021. Internship opportunity number 4. So here is NHAI Internship Opportunity 2021, which is providing a 2 months internship with a stipend of 5,000 rupees per month. So applications are invited from eligible candidates for the NHAI Internship Opportunity 2021. NHI internship scheme is being offered to provide learning opportunities to young talent in the field of civil engineering through a mutually beneficial inter-industry academia association. The scheme provides an opportunity to young students to learn and operate in the real life environment and equip themselves with practical knowledge and skills in the field such as project design, project management, monitoring and execution, land acquisition, performance management and contract management, etc. The interns are expected to contribute in the functioning of NHI by the way of their inputs such as empirical analysis, briefing reports, papers, research through data feed during field visits. The eligibility criteria for this internship is that a student must be pursuing graduation or post-graduation or research in civil engineering from an AICTE affiliated institution or any recognized university or institution within India and are currently in the final year or pre-final year semester of their course. The student should have obtained overall 70% marks or equivalent grade in all the previous yearly semester examinations and no backlogs of any subjects. Remember, only those candidates who are from BTech or BE having a specialization from civil engineering are available for duration of 2 months, having relevant skills and interest are eligible for this internship. Interested candidates can apply through the link provided in the deadline for applying for this internship is 4th of April 2021. Internship opportunity number 3. So here is Summer Internship Program 2021 organized by VNIT Nagpur. Applications are invited for the Summer Internship Program at the VNIT Nagpur. The students would be given an opportunity to work on the research consultancy oriented project component under the ABLE Guidance Consult Supervisor. VNIT is a public engineering and research institution in Nagpur, Maharashtra. So the eligibility criteria for this internship is that the students must have completed 3rd year BE BTech, 3rd year or 4th year BArch, BS, MS or 1st year MSc courses at any recognized university or institute. A student having a first class or CGPA higher than 6.75 in the latest grade card will be considered for SIP. It is expected that at the end of internship the candidate will come out with tangible results such as conference, journal paper, development of lab experiment, filling of the patent, etc. The internship will be required to give a seminar in the respective department at the end and submit a report to the department head. The total duration time for this internship is 24th May to 16th of July 2021. Interested candidates can download the application in the description below. The duly filled application form needs to be submitted along with a fees of Rs 5,000 plus 18% GST. The payment can be made by demand draft in favor of the director VNIT. The submission process needs to be completed on or before 20th of May 2021 at 5 p.m. Thursday. The whole process will be monitored by the Office of the Dean. A certificate of internship will be given to all interns after successful completion. A certificate will be signed by the respective faculty in charge, HOD and Dean. During the internship period, the candidate will have to abide by all the prevailing rules and disciplinary guidelines of the institute. Internship opportunity number 2. So here is Summer Internship Opportunity 2021 at IRDAI Hyderabad with a stipend of 15,000 rupees per month. So IRDAI proposes to offer an internship to students who are pursuing graduate and postgraduate courses or research from reputed universities and educational institutions during the summer recess. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India (IRDAI) is a regulatory body under the jurisdiction of Ministry of Finance, Government of India, and is tasked with regulating and promoting the insurance and reinsurance industries in India. The internship will be offered at IRDAI's head office in Hyderabad commencing in May 2021. IRDAI will provide office space, internet connectivity and other support facilities to the interns. Apart from this, no other facilities shall be provided to the interns. Eligibility criteria for applying for this internship is that the student must be pursuing a graduate or postgraduate course, must be a bona fide student in the pre-final of their graduation 4th year in case of law graduate pursuing 5 years integrated course with consistent excellent academic records, or students possessing graduation degree and are in the pre-final year or of post-graduation, or students who are pursuing 1 year master's degree, or students possessing postgraduate degree and pursuing full-time research course in insurance, economics, finance and management. The interns will be paid a stipend of Rs 15,000 per month. Selected outstation candidates will be reimbursed to and fro. The actual single to AC rail will be reckoned by the shortest route from the place of the residence place of the institute to the place of summer internship for undertaking the project. Apart from these, there will be no other payment. Interested candidates can apply through the link provided in the description below on the email provided in the description. Remember that the last date for applying for this internship is 16th of April 2021. Internship opportunity number 1. So here at last we have Summer Internship 2021 organized by IIT Roper. So applications are invited for a summer internship program for 5 to 8 weeks commencing from 17th of May to 12th of July 2021 without any fellowship at the Indian Institute of Technology IIT Roper. The internship will be in virtual mode. The department may select their student on the basis of the area of interest of the student, faculty, academic credentials, etc., and the number of seats available for the internship. The following departments are providing internships: the Biomedical Engineering Department, Chemical Engineering Department, Chemistry Department, Civil Engineering Department, Computer Science and Engineering Department, Electrical Engineering Department, Humanities and Social Science Department, Mechanical Engineering Department, Metallurgical and Materials Engineering Department, and Physics Department. So students from IITs, NITs, IISERs, national labs, centrally funded technical institutions, CAEs, government universities, private institutions, universities, Indian Academy of Sciences, DST Inspire or similar organizations are invited to apply for this internship. Interested candidates can apply by clicking the link in the description below. Remember that the last day to apply for this internship is 16th of April 2021. So this was all from our side, and here are the best internship opportunities for summer 2021 that we have picked for you. For any further queries or feedbacks, comment in the description below. Also mention in the comment section below what type of internship would you like to be notified for. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and share this video with all your friends also.